Welcome to the world of crochet. We'll be making diamond mesh today. Basic requirement: crochet needle, cotton yarn, 20 number. It's a beautiful pattern which can be applied on any work, on edges, on table mat corners, on saris, dress material, anywhere you can apply. To start with, we'll make a loop and start making chain. It's basically made by chain. Make 22 chains. Join backwards with the help of slip stitch. Make 4 chain. Join with slip stitch. Continue doing this till end. It will look like small eyelids. In third row, we'll make a chain, 1 double crochet, two chain, join through eyelid with slip stitch, 4 chain, again join, in this way we will continue till end. In end we'll make 1 double crochet, here you can see diamond mesh lace in progress. 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, join with slip stitch, again 4 chain, join, and in this way you will continue doing it and you can see the pattern. Beautiful diamond mesh lace is ready to apply on your work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.